Hello. Let's continue the remaining part. If you remember, in our previous class, we covered some parts here. Actually, we are dealing for OSPF. We have some topic left still in OSPF, so we need to cover that one. So if you remember, this one we finish. Okay. So let me highlight. And router ID also we finish already. And the broadcast DR, BDR also we done. So now we have point to point and the what is broadcast network. These 2 points we need to discuss. Then our OSPF will be finished. So let's see. If you see here, we have OSPF network type. We have OSPF network type. In our syllabus, we have only this broadcast and point to point. But anyhow, let's discuss all and then we will do the lab for the 2 only. OSPF broadcast as well as the point to point. So we are going to do only these 2 in our lab, as we have only these 2 in the syllabus. So what are the difference we have for this all? Let's discuss. If you see, we have broadcast. In the broadcast we have hello timer as a 10 second and dead timer as a 40 second. And urgency they will form the neighbor automatically, and also they will have the DR and BDR. Okay, in the broadcast network. And in the non-broadcast network, we have the time hello timer is 30 second. It jump from the 10 to 30. So here, when you are using the broadcast network, it is having hello timer as a 10 second. But when you are using non-broadcast network, hello timer will be 30 second and dead timer will be 120 second. And here neighbor will not found. You need to do manually configuration. And you will have here DR and BDR. And next, if you see point to multi-point, here also you have the same thing. Hello timer will be 30 second, dead timer will be 120 second, and automatic neighbor will form. But you don't have here DR and BDR. Next, we have the point to multi-point non-broadcast. When you are using point to multi-point non-broadcast, here also we have 30 second as a hello timer and dead timer as a 120 second, and neighbor here manually we need to configure as a neighbor. It will not form the urgency. It will not form the neighbor. Manually we need to do. And here we don't have DR and BDR. And the last one we have point to point. So when we use point to point, we have the hello timer as a 10 second, dead timer as a 40 second, and it will form the neighbor automatically, and we don't have DR and BDR. So in our syllabus, as per CCNA syllabus, we have this one and this one. So let's do only these 2. Remaining, no need. In the CCNP level, we are going to check the remaining. Okay. So if you see here, network type define how the neighbor relation will form. This is a theory. In different network type, we can see the behavior of a OSPF in the different way. Like whenever we are using different types of network, OSPF will change. Like hello timer is changing, dead timer is changing, DR, BDR is changing, and the election is happening and not happening. Just now whatever we discuss. So generally there are 5 different types of OSPF network in the CISCO router, that is point to point, broadcast, non-broadcast, whatever we discuss. This all. I mentioned this all theory, so whenever you are revising, you can easily remember all the points what I explain here. Okay. So now we are going to discuss this one, the broadcast network, this one. A network type that connect the 2 or more OSPF over a broadcast media such as Ethernet is known as broadcast network. Example, you will take one router, you will take another router, you will connect this 2 router with the Ethernet cable, then it is known as broadcast network. And broadcast network type required the link support layer 2 broadcast capacity. On the broadcast network, neighbor are discovered dynamically, means dynamically they will form the urgency and they will have the neighbor. As we discuss here, when we do this one, automatically they will form the neighbor. So this point same I am saying, and the hello timer and all the timer will be default whatever we discussed before. We have 10 second and we have 40 second. And the packets whatever they are sending on the multicast address, that is 244.0.0.5. And this one they will select the DR and BDR in the broadcast network, and the values here I mention. Same thing what I discussed, I written here. So whenever you are revising, it is easy for you to have the idea about this one. And for this one, we can do the lab. Okay, this is a lab. And before going for the lab, let me tell you some more theory about the other topic also. After that, we can do the lab together. Okay, so we go here, we have another one is a point to point, because in our syllabus, if you see here, we have two things in our syllabus. We have the broadcast and we have the point to point. So broadcast theory just now we discuss here this one. Now we will see the point to point. Point to point means we have the point to point network type are intended to be used between the two directly connected routers. So here also we are going to use two directly connected router, but the link we are going to connect to the serial interface. When we use the serial interface in the OSPF language, it is treated as a point to point. So see here, an example point to point link is a serial link connecting between just two routers by using the point to point protocol. In point to point link, OSPF does not select the DR and BDR. Hello packets are sent to multicast address, same multicast address 224.0.0.5, and in the point to point network, hello timer will be 10 seconds, dead timer will be the 40 seconds, and neighbor will discover dynamically. So this point is important in interview. They are asking these types of questions, so you need to remember. Now remember, we have two types network. We have totally 5 types, but in our syllabus we have only 2 types. I already explained you the 5 types, but now you need to remember, in our syllabus we have broadcast, we have point to point. So in broadcast you will use the Ethernet. When you connect the cable between two routers by using the Ethernet, it will be called as broadcast network. In this one, by default, all values whatever we learn, that is there, like neighbor automatically will form, and they have the hello timer, dead timer, everything will be same, and they have the DR and BDR. But when you connected two router by using a serial interface, serial link connection, like this serial interface, then it will have then it will call as a point to point network. In the OSPF, when you configure the OSPF, they will treat this one as a point to point network when you connect with the serial cable. And in this one, when you use this one, in this one, DR, BDR will not have in this network, and hello timer will be the same value, dead timer will be the same value, multicast address will be the same value, and in the point to point network, they will form the neighbor dynamically, means neighbor will form dynamically. No need to do manually. Okay. So now we need to verify this one. So what we can do any lab and we can verify that one. Okay. Still no question, right? This is clear. Till here is no issue. No question. I hope no question for this explanation. If you have any question, you can write in chat window. No issue, no problem. Okay. So what we done, this is a OSPF network type. If you see in the syllabus, we have here OSPF network, that is a point to point and the broadcast. So this we discussed just now. Now we need to do the lab for this one. So in our next video, we are going to do that lab. Okay.